If you only have a yellow cake mix, yes, you can make it into a chocolate cake mix. Let me show you how. You make the package like the directions tell. So I added 1 1/4 cups of water, 1/3 of a cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs to each. And I'm gonna add 1/4 to 1/3 a cup of cocoa to this one, and that will make it chocolate. I did add about a tablespoon more of water to this one because cocoa will absorb the water. Now I'm showing you what I'm gonna make for these Halloween cupcakes. If you want a pattern in your cupcakes, you put a little bit of vanilla at the bottom and then a little bit of chocolate. Try to get it right in the center. And then 1 more vanilla to top it off. You can alternate that back and forth. Then you'll have a pretty pattern inside. I'll show you after they're done. Look how pretty. They're so cute. Stripes inside. You can also do the same thing when you have only vanilla. You can add more cocoa and make the pudding chocolate. That's what we're going to do. 3 cups of milk. And let's start with the tablespoon and see how that goes. I'm going to add 1 more. Now I wish I would have done vanilla first, because then I could have mixed the same beater. Switch. For pudding, I'm never using any other container. Okay, filling done. Now to decorate. I put vanilla pudding, chocolate pudding, and a blend of both, so it's like a black and white. Let's frost one. I know pudding isn't technically frosting, but it tastes way better. Put it in a smaller piping bag. No, it's not a smiley face. Wait for it. There we go. Isn't he cute? Okay, now with the rest of them. My cute little scary cupcake. It's frosted with pudding. And let's see how it tastes. Vanilla and chocolate stripes in the middle. Perfect. Let me show you my other decorations. Look how cute they are. I have one little lone kitty. Mummy, pumpkin, ghost, some spiders, spider webs, jack-o'-lanterns, Jack, what are we going to call him? Googly eye blob. Fun, huh? Happy Halloween! From your friendly neighborhood Princess Vanellope. Tell me in the comments which movie that's from.